Hi guys, welcome back to Sells Like Hotcakes video series. In this short video, we are going to talk about one of the little known ways to create or update your product listings on Amazon. It is called Add Products via Upload. This feature allows you to prepare your listings and add your products in bulk by uploading Excel files, text, or CSV files. You can also upload files you may be already using to sell in your e-commerce website or another marketplace. If you go to the section called Add Products via Upload, you can first scroll down. This section for one step is to check the file. This is not doing anything, only checking the file for errors. Step 2 lets you upload prepared files, which will create the listings or update existing listings. There is another option to purge and replace your inventory completely. This feature will delete all of your listings and replace them with the contents of this file, so be careful. Probably you don't need this feature. That's white and red. Here, if you click Download an inventory file, you can search for a specific niche right here to get the template for inventory in your special niche. For example, if I look for French press and click search, then it will find the category with French presses, and if I click the plus here, it will generate a template file, and I can click this button called Generate Template. Then you just save the file, then you can open it in Microsoft Excel and read about how you are supposed to create the listing in this file. Here you should follow the example that they give. They explain to you exactly what each field means, so you shouldn't have any problems creating it. What it allows is to mass upload a large amount of products. Instead of using a manual way to list each product manually, which will take a lot of time, for example, if you have hundreds and hundreds of products in different variants, in different sizes, in different colors. Imagine you are selling t-shirts, and each t-shirt can be in small, medium, and large, and each size can be in 8 colors. Think how many variations you will have. It's impossible to do this manually. That's why you'll be using a template to do this. Once your template is ready, you go and check your file for errors and finally upload it. Here you can monitor the status to see if you have any errors, and if you have any errors, then you download your processing report and check for errors. I hope you guys found this helpful. This feature will help you upload a lot of listings in bulk in case you have complicated listings with a lot of variants. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!